Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the Trumon 05 series acoustic guitar. Now, full disclosure, Trumon approached me. They saw my YouTube channel and thought that maybe we could partner together and I could do this unboxing video for them. They sent me the guitar for free and said that I could keep it. So I'm going to unbox it and just give you my thoughts. So here we go. All right. So what do we have? Some goodies. Looks like a cloth, some strings, and some other good things there. That's fun. Let's put that right there. And that is a really nice gig bag. Okay, so far so good. Here we go. I'm gonna open it up. All right. So the model number says TF05. Trumon guitars. All right. It looks good so far. It's a pretty guitar. It's a beautiful guitar. I like the cutaway there. I like this little detail around the sound hole. I like this headstock. I like the more of the satin finish on the back of the neck. I don't like glossy finishes as much. It's a nice satin finish. I'm gonna give you some up close pictures in a minute too. I'll take the camera and get you some up close pictures. So far so good, let's tune it up. All right, I got it tuned. The tuners felt really nice. They felt really smooth. So a couple of thoughts. The frets overall are really smooth. There's a couple right here that I might wanna file down a little bit, and I have a friend of mine who's a luthier, so I'd have him do that. But overall, really good, really good. Nothing ridiculously jagged or painful. I've had some guitars where I feel it's like, oh, wow, that needs to be fixed. This one's not like that. They're pretty smooth. That one right there, the second fret, I would have that one polished down a little, or filed down a little bit. But overall, really good. Nice. Now let's check the intonation. Intonation is how does it stay in tune as we go up the fretboard. Let's check the A string. A's in tune. By the way, I like this cutaway. This cutaway is nice. I can get up to these frets quite easily. 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th fret. Nice, nice cutaway. All right, so overall the intonation seems pretty good. I don't really hear any fret buzz. All right, let me move the microphone. Let's do some playing. Now I'm going to turn the volume back up on the mic and do a little bit of soloing. So some particulars about this guitar, 41-inch guitar with the cutaway. I love the cutaway. It feels fantastic. It's not a dreadnought. You can see the little wider hips and a little bit more narrow waist. So I like it though. It feels really comfortable on my leg. Here, like this, feels really comfortable. So now let's talk about specifics of the construction and materials of the guitar. This is a laminated Sitka spruce top with a laminated mahogany back and sides. So mahogany is going to give you a more warm tone. Sitka spruce is going to be bright, more powerful, but it is all laminated. And it is a rosewood fretboard, which is very nice. And again, I love the satin finish on the neck. Oh, and it's got the little button to do your strap. Oh, and this does not have any electronics in it. So if you're looking for an electronic acoustic, no pickups in it. This is not the one for you. But if you're looking for just a straight up acoustic guitar, so far so good. So Trumon Guitars, thank you for sending me this guitar. This is a great little guitar and I am going to be playing on it some more. Now, if you've seen and heard enough and you like this guitar, down in the description section where it says buy now, you can buy it. It is $229.99 on Amazon with free shipping and with free returns. So if you don't like it, you can send it back. I am an Amazon affiliate and at no extra charge to you. If you buy it there, I get a small commission. It's just one way I support this channel. And again, Trumon Guitars, thank you for sending this to me. It's been an honor to review your guitars. Seems like very good quality work. And as always, if you want to see some other videos from me, I've got some right there. And be sure to subscribe and hit the bell, because when you hit the bell, you'll get notifications when I do more reviews like this. As always, thank you for your time. God bless. Have a great day.